Around 500 hikers have been evacuated safely as the guides discovered an alternative route that was unaffected by landslides. After a deadly earthquake that occurred on Sunday trapped the hikers on the mountain, but after finding an alternative road, they are able to start climbing down. According to search and rescue officials, the trekkers include citizens from the United States, France, the Netherlands, Thailand and Germany, as well as many other countries that has been originally stranded. National Disaster Agency spokesperson Stupo Purvo told 543 hikers have been evacuated. They arrived last night. There are now 6 people left. They are all healthy and safe. He added, they were all tired but in good condition and were checked by our medical teams on the ground upon arrival. Next 9 World Newsroom report.